How does what's happening in the economy have an impact on the real estate market? Obviously, one would think with all the craziness, something's got to give, right? Well, I completely understand your concern, and guess what? It's valid. It can be so scary. So many people may have to sell, and they don't have a choice because of a job transfer or loss. But some may just be wondering if they should hold on and see if the market goes up so that they can get a better return on their investment. Or others may feel like they need to sell now so they can keep all the equity in case the market does go down. There are certain factors and variables that can cause housing markets to go down, and those factors can have a positive or negative effect on the housing market as well. Hi, I'm Tristan Campanella with Home by Tristan and eXp Realty. Unemployment is one contributing factor, and it was lower pre-pandemic and then spiked pretty high from April to July, hovering between 8 and 14%. But it has been coming down month after month since April, which is a positive sign. Obviously, we are all hoping it keeps coming down. Experts are predicting that it will continue to drop. There have been several recessions in the U.S. throughout history. But if you look historically at the times during these recessions where the number of months that unemployment was greater than or equal to 9%, the recession of 2020 is the lowest. It puts the unemployment perspective where we are right now, nowhere near what it was in the past. The Great Depression has 108 months. Great Recession had 30 months. 1980s oil recession had 19 months, and in 2020 we've only had 4 months where the unemployment rate was greater than or equal to 9%. Also, the number of people in active forbearance is still decreasing. It's continued to go down since May. So many more people are paying their mortgages as they're getting their jobs back. Many people are wondering what will happen due to the election. I would recommend looking at a few key factors. Number one, inventory is low. Back in 2008, the levels of inventory were very high, putting us into a buyer's market. Home prices were depreciating because there was so much supply, and today inventory levels are very low, showing that it is a seller's market and prices are continuing to go up because buyers are paying more to secure their homes. Also, right now the percentage of equity that homeowners have is very strong. John Burns of consulting from CoreLogic tells us that 42.1% of the homes owned in the country are owned free and clear, and they have no mortgage. And that 90% of homes have at least 10% equity, which indicates that less homes will go into foreclosure due to the equity they have. So there's not a lot of data that points to a positive forecast for the housing market in the future. Feel free to reach out to me at no cost or any risk or any hassle for a free strategy session. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and as always, I'm here to make it a great home buying and selling day.